So you have two screens in your game and you like to transfer some data between them. To do that, we can use a static variable. Simply in any script type public static int total score. Now we'll be able to use this variable across all scripts. To use it, just type name of your class, in my case scoring, that total score, and add number to it. This is a simple project that will demonstrate it. On the first screen, I press add points multiple times. Now let's go to the next scene and click get points. That script simply assigns total score variable to the text on the screen. Great! Now, what if we have a script that needs to get an image from the assets folder like this, profile picture? We can't make it static because it will disappear from the inspector. The other solution is to create a singleton. That means that only one object of such class can be at once on the screen. In our profile picture class, type public static profile picture instance. Then create an awake method that will run at the start of our game and type instance equals this. Lastly, we need to assure that object won't be removed on the scene change. Type in awake method don't destroy on load and pass in this that game object. Great! Now I can get that profile picture from any script by simply typing profile picture that instance that image. Here is a simple example. Notice that profile picture object with attached script. I can now run the game, get the profile picture, advance to the next scene and get the profile picture again. Notice here that our profile picture object is marked as don't destroy. And that's everything I have for you today. If you have any Unity questions, be sure to ask them in the comments and maybe I'll answer them in the next video. Also, be sure to join Coco on Discord and see you in the next video.